In today's video, I have got an incredibly free piece of software to go ahead and share with you, which you can use to make money online. And as always, I'm going to share with you proof of this method. I'll share with you examples and I'll walk you through this whole method step by step because it's incredibly easy. Now, for this, we can focus on a number of platforms. We could go ahead and use this for YouTube. We could use it for Facebook Reels, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest ideas, and lots more. We can also use this exact method for what you can see here, affiliate marketing. So you can do this for earning money with AdSense. We can focus on affiliate marketing. We can even build out theme pages over on Instagram using this method and show you some of the potential with this. Let's dive over onto YouTube, okay? So on YouTube here, you can see I've just typed in motivation hashtag shorts, and I'm sure you've seen these sorts of videos pop up on your feed, whether it's on this platform or on any of the other platforms you may go on. Now, traditionally, if you wanted to go ahead and create these sorts of videos, you'd need to go over and download the video. You'd need to make your own edits, and then you'd need to put your captions over and play around with this for a bit of time. Now, the software that I came across, it's awesome because what it will allow you to do is from one video, and it doesn't have to be your own, by the way. For one video, it will allow you to go ahead and get multiple videos done for you, and it's free. Okay, so let me show you the website and how this whole method works. Well, let's look at some numbers. Okay, so let's just go with this one over here. Okay, so this Chispa Motivation, okay, 767,000 subscribers. So they've got a lot of subscribers, but realistically, how much are they potentially earning? Okay, so we'll come over here. And this website is called Social Blade, and you can use this to go and have a look at different channels. Okay, now here, estimated monthly earning is anywhere between 653 and £10,000. Okay, so that's about $12,000. Yearly earnings is here, you can see, up to 125 grand. Now, we take Social Blade, we use it as an example or as a gauge because the numbers on here, they're always, off. But even if we put the numbers in the middle, potentially this channel is earning 5 grand a month just from YouTube AdSense, okay? And if we scroll down here, you can see all of that. On the left-hand side, it shows you the date, the number of subscribers, number of video views, and their estimated earnings per day. And as you can see here, it's bizarre, isn't it? So it says anywhere from £21 up to 342 in a single day. If you scroll down here, you can see more information. And this website, again, this is free, by the way. You can come over here, you can see the numbers, you can see the number of subscribers, video views, and lots more. Well, let's come off this website and I'll share with you the software to use, which is awesome and it's free. Now, this is the software. It's called Opus.pro, and you can see on here, look, one long video, and it will give you 10 video clips, and it creates them for you. Okay, and if I scroll down here, look, Opus Clip is a generative AI video tool that repurposes long videos into short videos with one click. And it doesn't only shorten the video for you, it also goes ahead and picks out the best parts from that long form video. It puts them in the correct format. It then gives you the captions, and it can include emojis over the top of this. And if I scroll further on the page here, you can see you can use this software for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, even Twitter. It's awesome. I still can't believe it's free at this moment in time. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. Okay, so if we wanted to do this in the motivation niche, and you don't just have to go with motivation, by the way, you can do any category, any niche. You could do woodworking, health and fitness, anything at all, okay? But we need to drop a YouTube link in here, and then it will get us the clips, okay? So for this, I'm going to come back over onto YouTube, and I'm just going to grab a video link really quickly, okay? So let me refresh the page on here. And I'm not going to go into a short version of a video. We need a long version, okay? So I'm going to scroll down here. Let's just find a longer video. Okay, so let's just go back onto, tell you what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of the hashtag shorts here, and we'll just go with the keyword motivation, and then I'll be able to go ahead and get a long form video that we can put into the AI software. Okay, so it's brought it back up again. So let me go ahead and get rid of the hashtag shorts. Let's just go with motivation, and then we'll scroll down. Okay, so this one here, how long is this video? I'm going to try and pick one on a bit on the lower end, so that this video doesn't last all day. So let's scroll down here, this one here, 8 minutes. Let's go with this one. Okay, so I'm going to come up here to the three dots. I'm clicking on the three dots here, and then basically I want the share link. Okay, so I click on here and I click on share. Now that there is going to give me this YouTube link. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to come back over to Opus and I'm going to paste that into here. Okay, now you can see it tells you on here, look, about the video, what it works best with. But if I click on get clips for free, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video really quickly, because in terms of this software, it takes anywhere from a minute up to 3 minutes depending on the length of the original video. So I'll pause this and I'll come back once it's created these 10 videos for us. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're back and the software has finished doing its thing. Now here's the cool thing, okay, from that one link we have now got, if I scroll down here, look, you can see 1, 2, 3, we've got 10 different videos, and we can take these videos here and upload them onto different platforms. You can directly publish them from here, or what I'd recommend is you go ahead and you download them yourself, and then you can upload them using your phone or on your laptop. Okay, but here's the cool thing, if I scroll up here, you'll notice, so here it would be your title, The Surprising Truth About Motivation and Success. It gives you a score. Now you can see here, it gives you a reason why it gives that score. And then scroll down here and it gives you some of the context from the video. And over here, you can see it's a 50-second video. And at this moment in time, it's still in low res because it's still going ahead and finishing the final points on this. But if I click on play, it will show you what it looks like. And then if we scroll down here, we can have a look at the next one. And then if we come down here, we can have a look at the next one. Now, the one thing to mention with this from playing around with this and testing this is, you see on this video here, it's actually got text going over the top. Now, the AI software here puts over its own caption. So when you are using this method, the best thing you need to be doing is looking for the videos where they don't actually have captions over the top of them like this, because it, as I've mentioned, it goes ahead and creates these for you. Now, the cool thing about this method here as well is, okay, you can take one video like any of these, okay, you can upload that same video onto TikTok, and then you can put it onto YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook, Pinterest, and all of these different platforms. And then at the same time, if you go ahead and you incorporate affiliate marketing into this, then you can be making more money. So in terms of these videos over here, this is about motivation and success, you would go and find products over on ClickBank, which is a free affiliate network, and you can put those links into your YouTube description box. You can put them in the comment section and you can pin them on there. But overall, this Opus clip is absolutely awesome. It really is. And the fact that it can create these videos for you, and you've got a number of them, and then you can also just instantly post them onto different platforms and stuff, it's awesome, isn't it? And at this moment in time, it's free. Now, with the free version, you get 5 hours worth of content a month. After that, you would need to buy or sign up with a different email, okay? But it's just brilliant. It really is. And the fact, like I said, one long video will give you 10 viral clips. So one video gives you 10 clips. So, how many videos a day can you put into this software? And then, start uploading them. But we can see on here, look, 65% drive engagement rate, a 45% increase in watch time. And you can also do this with your own videos. So if you have long form videos on YouTube, you can go ahead and create shorts of your videos and put them onto the YouTube Shorts platform to drive traffic over to your main channel. If you have, if you have a YouTube automation channel, or you're thinking of creating an automation channel, well, this piece of software can help you grow by putting in the link in here. It's awesome. And this is just a couple of different ways that you can use this method to make money. You could use this software to work with local clients and local businesses. You could use it in a number of ways. But like I say, it's free. It's awesome. Look, is Opus Clip free to use? Yeah, look, limited time offer. Opus Clip currently offers a free trial of 5 hours. So up to 75 downloadable clips. And then here you can see they have an early bird discount coming in May 23. And then if you've got more questions, you can just literally go on their Discord group and go over there. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with this. In fact, I think what I'm going to do is at some point over in the university over here will probably do a full case study and see how long it takes us to monetize this method over here, because inside of the university here we have lots of different methods for making money online. So for example, with YouTube here, you can see we've got a full section here on making money with YouTube. But what I do is every 4 to 6 weeks we do case studies. So down here you can see we do these different case studies and we start from scratch, and I share exactly what we're going to do, the plan, the tools we're going to use, and then I just go through this and I find, showing the offers, and then I show the numbers and how long it takes to make money. So you can see that this case study took us 9 days to earn our first commission. If we go and look at, let's say, this one, the YouTube and Amazon case study, from memory, I think this one took us probably about 2 weeks. Let's go down and see. Where was it? Yeah, so this one here took us 14 days to earn some money online. Because look, this is the thing, whether you're using this method that we've looked at today or any method to make money online, it's not hard, it's not difficult, it just takes a bit of time, effort and consistency. So yeah, that's today's videos. If you have any questions about this, let me know. But as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.